How to get alerts on Kik. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get alerts on Kik. So for that, just use Botrix. Just open botrix.live.com and after that just click on profile from the left hand side, and here just scroll down and sign in with Kik, and here just enter your username and click on accept and click on continue again. And now all you have to do is just go to this link and just paste this link on that page. So I'm copying this link right here, and now just go to this link. Now all you have to do is just paste that link right here that you just copied and click on enter, and as you can see that your account has been successfully linked. Now just go back to your Botrix and here you will see us, and here on the left side you will see an option called alerts. Just go to that option and set alerts for your subscription, followers and chats, and click on confirm. So this is how you can get alerts on Kik. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.